This is a love reading for the sun sign Capricorn for the month of February for all of you who are single. In this reading, I'm going to take out cards to know Capricorn, what is the past you are coming from? Or how was your past love relationship? How has it changed you, or what do you think of love now? What is coming your way in the present energy? How well are you receiving it? Then, what is the impression a potential partner gets about you when he or she meets you or dates you? Who are you as a person? What is it that you should do away with and what you should build on to find yourself a nice love connect? So let us see what is the guidance from tarot. Also, please note that this is a general reading, so everything will not apply to all Capricorn, and whatever may apply will vary in the intensity. There is lot of things that are not working out for you, but the good news is there is lot of attention coming your way. You are received or you are seen as a very successful, happy-go-lucky person, and a potential partner, whoever meets you, wants to date you or ask you out and get to know you better. So, whatever may be going on in your situation, which we will understand with the cards, but your overall impression is so powerful and good that you are getting a lot of attention from a potential partner. Yeah. So, some of you are doing a very good managing of image or giving a very good perception. Yeah. And then there are a lot of things that you're dealing with as well, but you just know socially how to create or manage that balance, how to give a just about a right impression about yourself. So you are seen as someone very successful, very positive, and there is absolutely no fault a person finds with you. Yeah, you come across as very genuine, real, and good. So very good card. It's telling me some of you are getting lot of interest from a potential partner also because of this energy alone. So how was your past love relationship? Some of you probably feel or left the relationship because it was just too unrealistic, or the expectations that were laid out in the relationship were just not possible humanly to live through. So some of you feel that maybe just too much was expected from you in the relationship, or the person you were dating, your ex, was just too unreasonable. Some of you who may have fallen out of love, looks like there was a third person who created the rift, and then there is just so much emotional cheating and lying to happen that it has left you very unhappy overall about the whole situation. So I am seeing there is an outside influence what happened in your past relationship, and emotionally your partner was not very upfront or straightforward with how things were. He or she kept lying to you, and then now you feel that people can be first of all very unreasonable, and then two people may be genuinely in love, but then there can always be outside influence. So right now you're not feeling on top of your emotions or things, and right now you're not feeling as if you're not that genuine and sorry, you're not that naive person who believes in that true genuine love. You do feel that there can be lot of puncture holes or lot of leaks that can happen in true love also. So you are more realistic, you are more accommodating, and you have become exceptionally sharp also. So a lot of people will never know the real you because you have lot of game and trick up your sleeve, and you know who you like to date and go out with, and nobody really knows you who you truly are. So a lot of things are kept very close to your heart, and you're doing a very good managing of giving a good perception. So you're playing it very safe now. There is a lot of it's not easy to give a very good impression about yourself and make people believe how truly successful and good you are. So this itself is very challenging, but you seem to be doing a great job of it. Overall, you're a very smooth talker. You'll probably agree with even the worst of the kinds, just so that you're able to get through or mingle with people fine. So I'm seeing a lot of flexibility in you as a person, but then you have learned through some very tough experiences and not someone easy to guess. Yeah, you're not a naive person at all. You know your way, you know when to play your cards. If shrewdness needs to come out, you will play that energy. And if you need to just talk your way out or talk your way into something, you can very do it with lot of ease. And the good part is nobody has a clue that you are this smart. They probably feel that you are this very genuine naive person, which is equally good. Yeah. Now what is coming your way in the present energy? Well, you are meeting lot of there is a potential love interest which is coming your way, but you feel that you haven't found or met anyone who's giving or paying as much attention and love and care in the relationship which you will like to then take it forward. So some of you still feel that whoever you are meeting is a bit too caught up in their own space of maybe handling responsibilities or paying some bills or taking care of something else that is going on in their life. You will like to take it forward only when you see this person is little bit more free from all the responsibilities and challenging situation that they may have. You are not rushing into the first person you meet, and with this energy you're finding lot of attention. It's quite possible on a good day lot of times you get introduced to someone nice and probably someone is asking you out. I'm seeing a very good, and some of you have a very good reputation also, so a lot of your friends are also trying to make you meet some nice people and then help you take it forward. So how well are you receiving this present energy? Well, you are coming very strong and you will like to know why a person wants to be in a relationship with you. What are his motives, his or her motives? So you are not someone who has a doubt and will keep it quiet. If you are not sure, in all likelihood, Capricorn, you are asking those difficult questions because you don't want to go through this pain again. You've had some people get influenced very quickly, or you had your love relationship get pulled apart purely because someone else came along and you felt little bit cheated that someone was not honest with you. So you are not going to work with any misunderstandings. If a potential partner is not as much available, you are taking your time as and when they're available. So it's telling me that you're not wanting to settle down or move very quickly into something you are not sure of. So you will wait, you will want the air to clear up, and you will ask a lot of questions before things start to move. One thing I'm seeing here is while your overall impression is so positive, it's just so impressive, but you may just want to go a bit easy with this whole energy of wanting to understand the other person more. Sometimes people just don't have enough reasons for why their situation is the way it is. So you may just want to moderate this energy a little bit. You may be looking like you're sometimes a bit too confrontational, which is not you, because given that you can come across as someone very positive and very balanced, you may just want to moderate this energy a little bit, and you're very clever, so you can outguess a person very easily, and you have something always what will be played or said or done as a next level when you're dealing with people. So not someone you're not someone easily to be fooled or played with. You have really upped your game with your past experience. Some of you are very socially savvy also. I'm seeing that you may have made a lot of friends who are very affluent, and you yourself may be doing very well also. So what is it that you should do away with? The guidance I'm getting is that if something is not working out for you, Capricorn, don't hold on to hope for the longest time that maybe it will work out, maybe things will happen. The guidance is if it's not working out, if you've liked someone, you got hurt, guidance is you may want to just move on. You don't want to hold on something even when all the red flags are on or something is looking like it will not work. This is also about your concept of love. Maybe sometimes you are the one expecting some very unrealistic things from a potential partner. Guidance is don't give your life and soul to those expectations. Become a little bit light-hearted and moderated, and then things should just fall a little bit more easily in place than they are right now. So, what is it that you should build on? You have the clarity to see things the way they are. So, what you should be working on is that since you can see things so clearly, you may not want to really play the wait and watch game, and there is no reason to bring distrust because of what has happened in the past. If you have a very clear vision of how things are happening around you or what people are doing, you may want to pick and choose who you like. So, some of you may be just holding yourself back from moving on or moving along in a relationship purely because what you've experienced in the past. Guidance is you are at a very good position in how you understand people. There is a lot of insight that you have, and you don't want to hold yourself short into selecting or moving or picking a partner out of so many interests that you may be getting. So you just bring your faith back, Capricorn. Otherwise, you seem to be doing very well. Mentally, you're so sharp, and you seem to have created a very good impression and reputation for yourself also. Only there's some bit of a trust hit that you have taken in the past, but just be a little bit moderated. Let some kindness come along, overlook some mistakes, and it should all work out very well for you. So, this was your love reading, Capricorn, for all of you who are single for the month of February.